Are you ready to promote your vision and reach your target audience? IndustryBuzzWith3Zs.com is the platform for your vision to be heard. For more information on how to advertise or become a special guest on our radio show, go to IndustryBuzzWith3Zs.com. Click on IB Rates for more information. We're looking forward to expanding your vision. IndustryBuzzWith3Zs.com. Now, bringing integrity back to media, Latonya M. Lane.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? You know this your girlfriend, your buddy, your pal, Latonya M. Lane of Industry Buzz with 3Zs.com. We're buzzing off here at the Stellar Award weekend, but the time has finally come where we're going to see who are the winners of this awesome award. Y'all keep it locked. There's more interviews to come. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Y'all know my mama up in the building.
Hey, girl.
It's good to see you on today. How does it feel to now see everything be, you know, just evident and coming to life?
You know what? It's surreal, but I'm cautiously sober because the Lord told me this is where I belong when I was 15 years old. I had a process to walk it out, but I appreciate God for bringing me to this point, and I'm looking forward to what He's getting ready to do for me. What He's doing for me, excuse me, because God is never getting ready to do anything.
Oh, no, He's manifesting
what He's doing,
himself.
He's already done.
No, He's manifesting Himself right now at
Yes.
this very moment.
Yes.
Now, how can people pick up your CD and find out more information about you? Because you definitely is on the move.
You can get it in Walmart, you can get it on Amazon.com, you can get it on iTunes, any media outlet, you can find me there.
Awesome. Well, we're excited about you
Thank
being
you.
here on today and sharing your gift with everyone.
Thank you.
Y'all know I love her and we love you for staying locked into inspiration. Y'all keep it coming. We're here at the Stellar Awards 2011.
IndustryBuzzWith3Zs.com. Join in today on the movement to bring integrity back to media. With one click of a button, you can disseminate your information right from Industry Buzz to all your favorite social sites like Facebook, Twitter, MySpace, and to your email contacts. Maximize your vision today. Plus, get the latest news, entertainment, and media. Need fashion or makeup tips? Looking for a job? Connect with us today. Want to connect with other business visionaries? Connect with us today. This site is for everyone, from teens to music lovers, from businessmen and women, industry professionals and performers. As a member of Industry Buzz with 3Z, you'll gain help promoting your vision. Industry Buzz with 3Zs will expose, expand, and keep your fan base up to date with all your happening. Members also receive free or discounted perks from various sponsored companies. So join the social network, expand, and stabilize your business. Connect with like-minded individuals. Need an artist to minister at your upcoming event? Look on Industry Buzz. Have a voice and submit your article to our e-magazine. Industry Buzz with 3Zs is the place to globalize your vision. Establish it today. Be heard. It's all on IndustryBuzzWith3Zs.com.